Hey everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. In today's video, we'll talk about how to remove the iCloud activation lock on your iPhone. Before we dive into UltFone iPhone Unlock, let's first take a quick look at another popular tool, 3uTools. Many users try to use 3uTools to remove the iCloud activation lock, but the process can be quite complicated. It often requires multiple technical steps, including manual firmware flashing and additional third-party software. For users who aren't very familiar with these advanced operations, it can be time-consuming and confusing. That's why we recommend using UltFone iPhone Unlock, a much simpler and faster solution. Now, let's see how it works. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. Launch UltFone iPhone Unlock, select Remove iCloud Activation Lock, and then click Start. The program will automatically put your device into recovery mode. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to enter DFU mode so the jailbreak process can begin. Click Start, then press and hold the volume down and power buttons at the same time. When the countdown finishes, release the power button, but keep holding volume down until your device successfully enters DFU mode. UltFone iPhone Unlock will then start jailbreaking your device. This step usually takes around 10 minutes, so please be patient. Once the jailbreak is done, your iPhone will re-enter recovery mode. Follow the prompts again to put it back into DFU mode. UltFone iPhone Unlock will then start removing the activation lock. This part is quick. Just wait a moment while the tool completes the process. After the removal is successful, your device will restart. If you see a message saying iPhone locked to owner, don't worry. Just continue the setup process and you'll be able to access and use your iPhone normally. And that's it. That's how you remove the iCloud activation lock easily with UltFone iPhone Unlock. You can find the download link in the video description. UltFone iPhone Unlock is designed to help you solve all kinds of password issues on iPhone, iPad, and iPod devices, giving you full control of your device again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.